Are we rolling? Oh my God. Hi, my name is Christoph and I play Toby in my comedy web series, Who Am I? And this is my set. If you don't know what that is, you can go to hell. Just kidding. Or you can check it out in the video links below or on my page. In this episode, behind the scenes, I'm gonna teach you how I built this. Not that. That's a garage door opener. I built my set in my garage, okay? Like, don't judge me. Anyway, I'm gonna teach you how I built this for under $150. Now, full disclaimer, we're not talking about equipment, we're not talking about electronics, we're not talking about robotics. We're talking about the bare bones. The furniture, the paint, the aesthetics, the space. Want to get into it? Let's do it. Just kidding. It's not 2016 anymore. Nobody likes that transition. So let's use one from 2017. Let's go. I'm kind of filming myself in a bit of a corner here. Anyways, this little guy is one of my working benches. I use this to adjust my robots, tinker, play around with things for the set, play around with things for the videos that I need, little projects, etc. Soldering, gluing, you name it. I do it right here. Now, this guy was 100% free. Now let me explain. When we took over our house as renters, we have a garden shed. There were 2 of these in there. Now it's only plywood and 2x4, but somebody had already built this. So that saved me time and energy and, quite frankly, money. All I had to do was stain it. Stain's not cheap. However, you can get used stain, you can get off color stains for cheap sales, you can borrow stain from somebody, or you can use stain from an old project, which is what we did. What it does is it actually allows for light spillage to accentuate the different styles of lighting that you would like. Different colors, etc. I think it looks pretty good. Keep in mind, dark paint absorbs light, whereas a lighter paint scheme actually reflects light. And here we are at one of the most hated parts of my set.
Is he joking?
No, I'm not kidding. This is cheesy, and almost everybody is doing it nowadays. It's way overdone, but it serves 2 purposes. Number 1, it was free. Yay! This board I grabbed from another part of the garage, $0. Number 2, it actually allows some warmth within the set. Almost all of my aesthetic around the rest of the set is dark. So I need to lighten it up, brighten it up, and add a little bit more warmth to it. Also, as a bonus, not all of this is fake. I actually do use a lot of these tools day to day. These are actual cables that I use, and I do charge my drills, my robots, etc. on this table. And here we are. This is where the magic happens. Except we're not talking about computers or workstations. We're talking about furniture. So we're gonna talk about what the workstation is sitting on. Here, let me show you. Okay, now hear me out. I'm gonna tell you a bit of a story. This is my pride and joy of my set. This is my beautiful workstation tabletop. As you can see, it is finished beautifully. A farmer had it for sale for $100. It was beat up, full of nails, paint, scratches, etc. Also, at the end of his driveway, he had this stand sitting there ready to be burned. He was gonna burn it. I asked if I could have that, and he gave this to me, as well as that, for $50. I was able to finish it for another $10. What a steal. This thing is 2 inches thick, solid wood, will not move, with a complete intact base. And the base itself was just spray bombed black. That's it. Oh, I'm too old for this shit. Final boss. Executive writer's desk. I needed a table big enough for all of the robots, all of the projects, everything moving on the tabletop and off, filming around it, enough space for equipment to move, my key light, my stands, my camera, my tripods, lighting, my monitor, etc. You name it, I needed to be able to move around this, but I also needed enough space to use this. This is an executive writer's desk with a leather inlay on 3 panels. And the best part, this was free. Scour Facebook Marketplace, scour your local Craigslist ads. One person's trash is another person's treasure. I will have this table until the day I die, or until the day I stop doing this YouTube channel. I don't know which one comes first. Anyway, let me show you a secret that I added to it, as the desk was just a tad bit too short and a bit too heavy to move around. Come with me. $40 casters, Amazon. Amazon's your best friend. So is eBay. So is Craigslist. So is Facebook Marketplace. Utilize your marketplaces. This transformed this table completely, all for $40. All right, so let's do a recap, shall we? Good. Working table, free. Casters, $40. Farm table that is now a computer workstation, $50. Refinishing of that, supplies, $10. Free bench, free stand. Paint on the walls was $40 and $10 for equipment, painting, sanding sponges, etc. at the dollar store. Carpet itself was even free. If you found this content helpful or useful or even enlightening, do me a favor, help us out by subscribing, liking the channel, commenting. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, but look out for the next web series episode. Stay tuned. My name is Christoph. As always, this is Who Am I? See you later.